Look at here. Listen. Tan A divided by 1 minus cot A plus cot A divided by 1 minus tan A equal to 1 plus tan A plus cot A equal to 1 plus sec into cosec A. What I did, this tan A converted to, cot A converted to 1 by tan A plus cot A by 1 minus tan A. Then I took the LCM, tan A minus 1 by tan A by tan A minus 1 by tan A. That is okay, that that is tan square A by tan A minus 1 plus tan cot A by 1 minus tan A. Okay, now look here. My question, this is tan A minus 1. Here 1 minus tan A. Okay, what I have to write? Tan square A, okay, tan square A divided by tan A minus 1 minus, okay, cot A divided by tan A minus 1. Is it okay or not? Is it okay or not? Okay, look at here. Here, tan A minus 1. Here, 1 minus tan A. So make it equal. What I did, minus of tan A minus 1. We cannot see the top. Okay, no problem. We'll see. Right? Now, okay. So, look. After that, Vidya, are you okay or not up to here? Hello. Okay. After that, you copy this line and this line. Copy this line and this line. Because I'm going to rub this one. Okay, copy fast. I'll wait. Okay, so then look at here. Next step, tan square A divided by tan A minus 1 minus, this one. Look, same denominator, we can write tan square A minus cot A divided by tan A minus 1, because same denominator. After that, tan square A minus 1 by tan A divided by tan A minus 1. Cot A changed to 1 by tan A. Okay, this is going to here. Tan cube A minus 1 coming down. Tan A into tan A minus 1. Okay, tan cube A minus 1 by tan A going down. Okay, you know that A cube minus B cube is A minus B into A square plus B square plus AB. You learned last year, right? A cube minus B cube equal to A minus B into A square plus B square plus A. So that is here now A minus tan A minus 1 into A square tan square A, B square 1 plus AB tan A divided by tan A into tan A minus 1. Cancel. Then tan square A by tan A plus 1 by tan A cot A plus tan A by tan A 1. We got the first result. We reach here. Okay. Okay. Is it okay or not? Hello. Anyone had doubt this question? Because this is one of the very important question. Okay. Anyone want to explain this one? I'll do that. Hello. Anyone want to explain this question? It's a very, very important question. Your reader question. Come on. You got or not? Anugrah, you got or not, or you want to explain? Okay, I'll do this question. Look at here. Yeah, okay. Because some guy is late, that's why I'm not happy with okay. Look, the full question I'll do here now. Okay, just listen here. Okay. Look, the question is, look. The question we'll make about two parts. Okay. Tan A divided by 1 minus cot A plus cot A divided by 1 minus tan A equal to 1 plus tan square A, 1 plus tan A plus cot A equal to 1 plus sec A into cosec A. I think DPS students and GIS only done this question in your school because the reader question only. Okay. Now, anyway, forget about that. Question is what? Tan A divided by 1 minus cot A plus cot A divided by 1 minus tan A equal to 1 plus tan A plus cot A equal to 1 plus sec A cosec A. That means first you have to get this one, then this one. Okay, sometimes this question may ask directly from here to here. Okay, what? From here to here. So we cannot, but still we cannot find out this. We cannot go direct to here. So we have to find first that. Okay, now look at here. First I'm doing, first step, I'm doing this cot A, I'm changing to tan A. Okay, that is tan A divided by 1 minus 1 by tan A plus cot A divided by 1 minus tan A. I hope this line okay or not. Hey, video lagging. Video is clear now. Video clear or not? Hello. Is it okay video? For me it is clear, very clear. It's clear now? Okay. So look, I listen, I just changed this cot A, I changed to 1 by tan A. This line clear or not? Anigrah, this step clear or not? I just changed cot A to 1 by tan A. Anigrah, who all asked doubt, clear that. Anigrah, where are you, man? Hello. Okay. Okay, now after that, taking the LCM, tan A divided by, this is going to here. Look, it's like 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2. 2 is going here. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 going up like that. Okay, same idea. Okay, so tan A minus 1 by tan A going up plus cot A divided by 1 minus tan A. Okay. Now look at the denominator, tan A minus 1, 1 minus tan A. You know that A minus B, we can write minus of B minus A. We did many questions like this. Okay. So we are changing the denominator. Look, tan square A divided by tan A minus 1 minus cot A by tan A minus 1. I hope you clear why it is minus, why here tan A minus 1. If you have doubt, tell me that. Now we got same denominator. So if it is same denominator with tan square A minus cot A divided by tan A minus 1. Okay. Tan square A minus cot A by tan A minus 1. Now I'm changing this cot A. Tan square A minus 1 by tan A divided by tan A minus 1. Now, this is going to here. That is tan cube A minus 1 by coming down. Tan A into tan A minus 1. Okay. After that, I'll write here only. Okay, this is here. Okay, I don't know. We can write. Okay, right up to here because there is no space here. Okay, so right up to here. Everyone copy up to here. Tan cube A minus 1 by tan A into tan A minus 1. Right up to that. Okay. So clear now? Now you copy it here. After that, listen here. After that, you know that A cube minus B cube equal to A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. Okay. Tan Q minus 1. That is tan A minus 1 into A square tan square A plus 1 square plus A square. I like it to change. A square plus B square plus AB. Okay. Tan A divided by tan A into tan A minus 1. Now I cancel this. Okay. Now each term divided by tan A. Tan square A by tan A plus 1 by tan A cot A plus tan A by tan A 1. We got the first result. Okay. Now clear or not? We got the first result. Okay. Hello, check up to here. Then only I can start second part. Okay. Now, finish or not? Is it okay? Tan cube A. Okay. Okay. Esther, listen here. Tan square A. Okay, I'll explain that part alone. Look. Here, this cot A I changed to 1 by tan A. So then what? Tan square A minus 1 by tan A. What is LCM? Tan square into tan A. That is tan cube A. Correct or no? Tan cube A minus 1, 1 minus 1 by 2, like that. 2 minus 1 by 2, like that. Clear now? Is it okay? Tan cube A minus 1 by that tan A coming down. Tan A into tan A minus 1. For example, 1 minus 1 by 5. 5 minus 1 by 5, like that. Okay. Okay. Then, okay, complete fast. I'll wait because it's a very important question. That's why. Okay. Okay. So I have reached tan A plus cot A plus 1. Clear now? This is your reader question. Come on, man. Your reader question you did already in school, right? Correct or no? Without this one, your reader cannot finish. Question, page number 194, question number 3. Okay. So now look at here. After that, we finished last point. Okay. The last point, that last point symbol. Tan A is sin A by cos A plus cot A is cos A by sin A plus 1. It's going here. Sin square A plus cos square A divided by sin A into cos A plus 1. Then sin square plus cos square 1. 1 by sin A into cos A plus 1. Okay. Now 1 by sin A cosec A. 1 by cos A sec A plus 1. Finish. Copy first. After copying, recheck it. Make sure this question. See now 30 minutes over one question. Okay. So very important question. After that, I'll start next question. Do fast. Okay. Okay, so finish all. Is it okay? Okay, so next question. Next one. Let me check whether we did or not. This one. Sin theta plus cosec theta whole square plus cos theta plus sec theta whole square equal to 7 plus tan square theta plus cot square theta. 7 plus, we did or not? Just check. Sin theta plus cosec theta, we did. Okay. So next question then. Then next star question, right? Cos theta plus sin theta, cos theta plus sin theta, cos theta plus, yeah, cos theta plus sin theta, cos theta plus sin theta, cos theta plus sin theta equal to root 2 cos theta. Cos theta plus sin theta equal to root 2 cos theta. Prove that cos theta minus sin theta equal to root 2 sin theta. Okay, question here. Question what? I'll show this one. Don't try. Okay. Cos theta plus sin theta, cos theta plus sin theta equal to root 2 cos theta. Show that cos theta minus sin theta equal to root 2 sin theta. Okay. Just copy. I'll show this one. Okay. Okay. So look at here. My plan, cos theta plus sin theta whole square equal to root 2 cos theta whole square. Okay. Squaring, why I'm trying? Because here sin and all required. Okay. What the squaring? Cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta equal to 2 cos square theta. Root 2 only inside. Okay. 2 only inside. Okay. Clear now? Cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta equal to 2 cos square theta. Then 2 sin theta cos theta equal to, going all other side, cos square theta minus sin square theta. Agree or not? Voice not clear? Why voice not clear? Audio not clear? Hello? Audio clear or not? Just all guys. Okay. Anyway, audio not a problem. Listen here. Check here. I just squaring. Cos theta plus sin theta whole square equal to root 2 cos theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta equal to 2 cos square theta. Everything going that side. cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay. Nandana, is it okay for you? Okay. So now look at here. After that, here 2 cos theta sin theta equal to cos theta plus sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. Is it okay? Yes, sir. Is it clear now? This is a square minus b square. We can write a plus b into a minus b. So I wrote, why I'm writing that? Because we need cos theta minus sin theta. Yes, sir. Clear or not? Okay. Now look again. 2 cos theta sin theta equal to cos theta plus sin theta root 2 cos theta into cos theta minus sin theta. Our requirement is cos theta minus sin theta. So cos theta minus sin theta equal to root 2 cos theta sin theta divided by root 2 cos theta. Cos theta cancel. 2, we can write root 2 into root 2 sin theta divided by root 2. That is root 2 sin theta. Finish. Okay. It's clear now? Okay, check the board first, then copy. The start question, okay. Okay. Varda, you want to explain again? Okay, look at here. Question. Varda, look at here. Question is what? Cos theta plus sin theta equal to root 2 cos theta. Prove that cos theta minus sin theta equal to root 2 sin theta. Okay. What I did first, squaring this both sides. Cos theta plus sin theta whole square equal to root 2 cos theta whole square. That line, okay, squaring on both sides. Okay, we got what? Cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta equal to root 2 square is 2 cos square theta. Okay, and 2 sin theta cos theta, keep it here. Rest all going other side. 2 cos square theta minus cos square theta minus sin square theta. That will be cos square theta minus sin square theta. Varda, this part clear or not? Okay. After that, we know that a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So cos square theta minus sin square theta, we can write cos theta plus sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. I wrote that. After that, instead of cos theta plus sin theta, the given what? Root 2 cos theta into cos theta minus sin theta. Our requirement is cos theta minus sin theta. So cos theta minus sin theta equal to this divided by this. 2 cos theta sin theta divided by 2 cos theta. Cos theta cancelled. Instead of 2, we can write root 2 into root 2. Sin theta by root 2. Root 2 cancel. Root 2 sin theta. Now you copy. Everyone like this, make sure then only copy. Okay. Okay, finish. Okay. So now finish it first, then I'll start next question. Okay. Okay, so now next question. Next one. Okay. Right, today everyone net issues. Okay. Right. Next question. If 3x equal to cosec theta, 3x equal to cosec theta, 3x equal to cosec theta. Okay. 3x equal to cosec theta. The GIS, you didn't get your test paper mark. GIS, Jonathan. Still, what they're doing, man? Okay. 3x equal to cosec theta. 3x equal to cosec theta. Okay. 3 by x equal to 3 by x equal to cot theta. Okay. Find the value of 3 times x square minus 1 by x square. Find the value of 3 times x square minus 1 by x square. Okay. So no problem. Try this one. Simple question. Okay. Try this. Okay, finish. Anybody got? Answer is 1. Okay, Suha, let us see. Come on. X equal to, look, 3x equal to cosec theta, x equal to cosec theta by 3. Agree or not? Okay, listen. 3x equal to 3x equal to cosec theta. So x equal to cosec theta by 3. Okay. 3 by x equal to cot theta. So 1 by x equal to cot theta divided by 3. This is clear or not? Come on. 3x equal to 3x equal to cosec theta. 3x equal to cosec theta. X equal to cosec theta by 3. 3 by x equal to cot theta. 1 by x equal to cot theta by 3. Okay. Now our requirement is 3 times x square. 3 times x square cosec square theta by 9 minus 1 by x square cot square theta by 9. Okay. So 3 by 9 outside. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta. That is 1. 3 by 9 into 1. That is 1 by 3. Okay. So far you did like this. Hello, Soha. You did like this, no? Hello. Okay, Nandana. You got answer? Okay, your assignment question, this one, right? Okay. Yeah, that's okay, no problem. Okay. Okay, that's okay. Okay, so finish. Next question, right? Next one. Next star question. Today we'll finish this chapter. Next class I'll do the application. Okay. Application is interesting chapter. Okay, not like this one. If x sine cube theta, if x sine cube theta, if x sine cube theta okay, listen, x sine cube theta, Ashrak, x sine cube theta, x sine cube theta plus x sine cube theta plus y cos cube theta equal to x sine cube theta plus y cos cube theta equal to sine theta cos theta. Sine theta cos theta. X sine cube theta plus y cos cube theta equal to sine theta cos theta. Then x sine theta equal to y cos theta. Y cos theta. Prove that x square plus y square equal to 1. X square plus y square equal to 1. X square plus y square equal to 1. Okay. Look at here. I'll give a hint. It's like a linear equation, two variable. You just find out, you solve it, you find the value of x and y and squaring, you'll get the answer. Okay. I hope this hint will work. You try first. Repeat the question. Question clear, Sham? X sine cube theta plus y cos cube theta equal to sine theta cos theta. Then x sine theta equal to y cos theta. Prove that x square plus y square equal to 1. X square plus y square equal to 1. Okay, try now. Okay, try first. Okay, try now. Hello, try first. Okay, you got it, Akshaya. You got it? Look, listen here. Those not getting, listen here. Look, x call it number one. Second equation, I am writing like this: x sine theta minus y cos theta equal to cos theta. Sorry, equal to 0. Number two. Hello, I rearrange x sine cube theta, y cos cube theta equal to sine theta cos theta. Same as first one. Second one, I take it one side. X sine theta minus y cos theta equal to 0. Okay. Now I'm going to eliminate either x or y. Like linear equations in two variable, I'm going to eliminate either x or y. It's easy way. Y. Y here cos cube theta, here cos theta. I multiply by second equation with cos square theta. What will get? X into sine theta cos square theta minus y cos cube theta equal to 0. Number 3. I multiply the second equation with the cos square theta. X sine theta cos square theta minus y cos cube theta equal to 0. Okay. Then 1 plus 3. Okay. X sine cube theta plus x sine theta cos square theta equal to sine theta cos theta. Okay. Common is x sine theta common. Balance sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to sine theta cos theta. This is 1. So x sine theta equal to sine theta cos theta. Sine theta cancel. We got x equal to cos theta. Okay, copy up to here. Akshaya, you did like this? Okay, you got x, you got y, then squaring, correct or no? Okay, then good. Okay, if not getting, copy like this. Hello, those not getting copy like this. And another method there is, you can try x sine theta. There you can write y cos theta like that. Correct or no? You did maybe like that. Instead of x sine theta, you can write y cos theta. Okay, try this one. You finish now. Get it x equal to cos theta. Then you substitute x equal to cos theta. Substitute here. You'll get y. Okay. Yeah. Okay. That's okay. No problem. Okay. Okay. After that, okay, now look at here. We got x equal to cos theta. Look, x equal to cos theta in equation here. Cos theta. Oh, you cannot see that. Okay, look, I'll write here. X equal to cos theta is substitute here. Cos theta into sin theta equal to y cos theta. Cos theta cancel. So y equal to sin theta. Okay, you got x equal to cos theta, y equal to sin theta. Therefore, x square plus y square equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Okay. Now, write first. After that, check one. Okay. It's clear or not? Finish? Is it okay? Finish or not? Hello? Hello? Finish? Okay. Adav. Okay. So the next one. Next one, little lengthy one. Okay. Okay. Next one, little lengthy question. Okay. So careful this. Okay. Okay. L equal to cosec theta minus sin theta equal to L. Cosec theta minus sin theta equal to L. Okay. Then sec theta minus cos theta equal to M. Okay. Prove that L square M square into L square plus M square plus 3 equal to 1. Okay. Question again. Cosec theta minus sin theta. Cosec theta minus sin theta equal to L. Sec theta minus cos theta equal to M. Prove that L square M square into L square plus M square plus 3 equal to 1. Sham, I think your net is issue because here everyone is clear now. Today there's no issue for me. Correct or no? Ahmed, Advait, and Adav. Is it okay for all, right? Adav. Okay. Okay. So, okay, copy the question. Okay, copy the question, then I'll explain this one. Just copy. Okay. Copy, don't start after that. I'll explain this one, okay? Okay. Look at here. I'll give a hint. Look. First of all, this one. 1 by sine theta minus sine theta equal to L. Correct? Cosec theta, I change to 1 by sine theta. So 1 minus sine square theta by sine theta equal to L. Cos square theta by sine theta equal to L. Okay. Now here M. 1 by cos theta minus cos theta equal to M. 1 minus cos square theta by cos theta equal to M. Sin square theta by cos theta equal to M. Okay. We got short form of L and M, and substitute, you'll get it. Try now. I simplified L and M and just cut and paste here, you'll get it. Try now. If not getting, I'll do this. Okay. Okay, are you getting? Hello, are you getting or not? You finish? what is L? What is M? Then find L square M square into L square plus M square plus 3. Akshaya, getting or not? Okay. 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 Look at here now. We got here. I hope finish all L and M. Now we are going to start the question. Look at here now. Where are light? Look. It's all we don't want. Okay. I'm just writing here. Cos square theta by sine theta equal to L. Okay. Now listen here. L square cos raised to 4 theta divided by sine square theta into m square sine raised to 4 theta by cos square theta into again L square cos raised to 4 theta by sine square theta plus m square sine raised to 4 theta divided by cos square theta plus 3. Right? I just squaring. Look, L square cos raised to 4 theta by sine square theta plus m square sine raised to 4 theta by cos square theta plus L square m square plus 3. Okay. Here, this is 2 cancel here. 2 cancel here 2. That is cos square theta into sine square theta. Okay. Now LCM is sine square theta into cos square theta. This is going here. Cos raised to 6 theta plus sine raised to 6 theta plus 3 sine square theta cos square theta. This part understood. Why 6? 4 plus 2. Don't multiply 4 into 2. A raised to m into a raised to n is a raised to m plus n. Okay, this is completely cancelled now. This one you remember. Anyone remember? Sine raised to 6 theta plus cos raised to 6 theta is what? Sine raised to 6 theta plus cos raised to 6 theta. Our test question. Okay. Okay. Look at here. We did this one. Sine raised to 6 theta plus cos raised to 6 theta equal to sine cube theta whole cube plus cos cube theta whole cube. Sorry, cos square theta whole cube sine square theta whole cube. Which format this? A cube plus b cube equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Okay. We did this one. Okay. So that means here 1 minus 3 sine square theta cos square theta plus 3 sine square theta cos square theta. Cancel. Answer is 1. If anyone doubt here, tell me. Okay. This is our test question. Okay, finish. So what is question number now? Identity question number what? $46. Okay. Still I have a question. Okay. Okay, no problem. I'll upload it. Already recording. Okay, already there. This question. Sham, yesterday's class I already uploaded. So same only today. You can check. Sham using which net? Which STC? STC normally good. I know we were okay. I have that net. Okay, today for me there is no issue. Mine is now Zain. Okay, today for me no problem. Okay. Last step. Okay. Last step. Saha, you reach here, right? Saha, you reach here. Cos raised to 6 theta plus sin raised to 6 theta plus 3 sin square theta cos square theta you got, right? Okay. After that, this one you did. Our last test question. Prove that cos raised to 6 theta plus sin raised to 6 theta equal to 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta. You did already. Okay. So that means you learned that. Look, anyway, look here. That part I'll show you. First of all, look, a cube plus b cube is a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. This is the identity. Okay. Now, cos raised to 6 theta plus sin raised to 6 theta equal to cos square theta whole cube plus sin square theta whole cube. So that is a cos square theta plus sin square theta into okay, wait. Okay, equal to sin cos square theta plus sin square theta whole cube minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta into sin square theta plus cos square theta. This is 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square. This is only I'll paste here. Okay. Okay, now next question. Okay, next one is very important question. Next one, okay, right. Tan theta plus sec theta minus 1. Tan theta plus sec theta minus 1. Okay, tan theta plus sec theta, tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 divided by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1 equal to 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. Okay, 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. Okay, I'll give a hint. This is a star question. Okay, look, instead of 1, hello, instead of 1, you can change to in terms of tan and sec. What is that? 6 cos theta minus tan square theta. This one is changed to 6 cos theta minus tan square theta. Don't change here, either here or here. Okay, try now. Instead of 1, you can write 6 cos theta minus tan square theta. Okay, try this one. Okay. Are you getting or not? Okay, look at here now. Hello, this is a star question. Okay. Okay. Look, what I'm going to do, tan theta plus sec theta minus, instead of 1, I'm writing sec square theta minus tan square theta divided by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. I just change instead of 1, we are writing 6 square theta minus tan square theta. Okay, after that, tan theta plus sec theta minus sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta divided by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Check step by step. 1, I change to 6 cos theta minus tan square theta. Then sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta. What is the common here? This part is common here. This one. I took out tan theta plus sec theta outside. Balance. 1 minus of sec theta plus tan theta divided by tan theta plus minus sec theta plus 1. Okay, tan theta plus sec theta into 1 minus sec theta plus 1 minus sec theta. Something wrong. Yeah, here minus. Okay, here minus. Okay, 1 minus sec theta plus tan theta divided by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Cancel. Tan theta sin theta by cos theta. Sec theta 1 by cos theta equal to 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. Okay, copy first. Okay. Finish or not? Hello? Is it okay? So next class, next class I'll do application of trigonometry. Okay. And Saturday morning, 7 o'clock. Bhavans, you have this week also extra class? So early morning I'll do this. Okay, early morning I'll do 7 o'clock. So anyway, early morning. Okay. So tell me if otherwise I can change to 6:30. No problem for me. Okay. Okay, this is enough today.